so easily get stuck, you know? It's so easy just to be like, you know, get in a loop, feel bad, and like not take an action. And just energy movement does it for you. You know, it's the same thing. Like I could feel like shit and not know what I'm gonna play on the guitar, and then just pick up the guitar, and all of a sudden, like through the vibrating and through the motion, like melody starts to come, and I start playing. And there's a playfulness, and the playfulness is like for me, one of the greatest anecdotes of depression and anxiety. I don't know. There's like this inner drill sergeant that's telling you like you're bad, you're not good enough, you're not enough, you got to work harder, you got to work harder. And when you're just dancing or like writing or being silly, when I do that stuff, I just feel free. A year into sobriety, once I kind of got back on the horse or whatever, I really was struggling with like a lot of existential pain and like not wanting to be alive. All the feelings are impermanent. We're gonna lose our health, and we're gonna lose everybody we love, and we're gonna die, you know? But we're gonna have extremely ecstatic, beautiful moments and love, and we're gonna have a lot of pain. And all those things are just gonna come and go, sometimes within the same minute. Yeah, music's definitely one of the main motivating factors for me to stay sober, and it really, like along with meditation and some other stuff I do, really helps. Yeah, the way therapy has helped me and continues to help me is like, you can say basically anything that has popped into your head, anything that you're struggling with. You might think it's the darkest, like freakiest thing, and how could I ever tell anybody that? But you're paying somebody to listen to you. You could say anything. You could say anything that comes to mind and work through just about anything. And by saying, like 9 times out of 10, by saying something out loud, that's why they're called a shrink. It like, this thing that was this massive thing in your head, it turns out like, they're not telling you to leave the office immediately. They're like, uh-huh, okay, I've heard that. Like, I've probably heard that a million times. Or like more, you know, it just destigmatizes the stuff that's going on inside. And helps you just get it out and realize it's not that crazy. You know, it's just part of being a human being, which is a struggle. I mean, I've cried listening to the Maxine Nightingale song. Like, it's just, I don't know why. It's unexplainable to me why I like it so much.
What is and it's coming along. We got to get it right back to where we started from. Love is good. Love can be strong. We got to get it right back to where we started from. That day, that sunny day, when you first came my way, I said no one could take your place. And if you get hurt by the little things I say, I can put that smile back on your face. Ooh, and it's all right, and it's coming along. We got to get it right back to where we started from. Love is good, love can be strong. We got to get it right back to where we started from. Love like ours, a love like ours can never fade away. You know it's only just begun. You give me your love, and I just can't stay away. No, no, you know you are the only one. when it's alright and it's coming along, we got to get it right back to where we started from. Love is good, love can be strong, we got to get it right back to where we started from.